Hey friend, go ahead and overpack. If you needed to hear that from somebody, go ahead and overpack. I know that you get a lot of messages. Excuse the laundry, we're in the middle of packing, clearly. So I know that you get a lot of messages when you're traveling to not overpack, not overpack. Well, sometimes that's just not a reality for some people. Plus size people, we don't always have access, especially when traveling abroad, to just buy things off of the rack if things are not replaced or if our comfort needs to be in a different level than what is available in gift shops and things like that. So I know you get a lot of messages about not overpacking, and I just thought it would be nice to hear that people travel differently. You can have your dog being really, really sad that you have all of your luggage sitting out for a week because she knows that that means that you are going to be gone for a long time this summer, because that is actually a reality that those of us who have pets, you know, when we travel, we deal with the guilt, don't we? But anyways, maybe I shouldn't have put the luggage, you know, right in front of her bed to taunt her. That's on me. Sorry, Maddie. But anyways, I thought I would share, what am I packing for our very first Alaskan cruise? Jason and I are going on the Love Boat this summer. We're traveling to Alaska on Princess Majestic, and I'm going to overpack. So let's see what I put in it. Okay, first things first, we have decided to take two of our large, I don't know, maybe I should measure these for the video, and then two of our carry-on size roller suitcases, hard shell suitcases on this vacation, as well as carry-on laptop bag and backpack. So, and that is for two people traveling on a 7-night cruise with 2 days in Seattle beforehand. So it's a 9-day vacation. So my plan of attack was that I was just going to pull out all of our stupid little bags and everything that we purchased to be travelers and have it all together in one place. And then I just started kind of placing it in the bags to just see what makes the most sense, so that then I can figure out what kind of space I have. So what I've done here is, in one of the Amazon vacuum seal bags, I have my two heaviest coats. I have a Snuggie blanket thingy. I have all of our hats and gloves. I have rain jackets, like just extra, like the things that you'd put over, you know, like at Disneyland if you were going on Splash Mountain type of thing. Those are all in this vacuum sealed bag, and that takes up this whole side of the bigger suitcase. And then I'm taking two pairs of boots. I'm taking this pair of boots that are tall, and then I'm taking just a black pair exactly like it. And that's just as well as these to throw on for like dressies for going to dinner, but then, you know, immediately into some comfortable sneakers or something afterward. But and then I just started placing some of our stuff. Like we have these miscellaneous things that we've had for years, and I'm like, well, we might need this. I've already packed this is my feminine care. As a middle-aged woman, I have a lot of feminine care, so I packed it all together here so that I'm good. This is all of that kind of stuff. For those of you who are middle-aged, you understand what all that is. And then this is a wet bag, so if we had any reason to have, you know, like wet things in our luggage. This is a multi-compartment. It's got two more zipper pieces. Oh no, it doesn't. These are the two zipper pieces here. And then this is where I'm going to put all my makeup. And then we've got this little baggie. I don't know. It was probably bought 2 decades ago in like the Walmart travel section. And we just use that for all of the like larger things, since we're going to be checking it and we don't want to have the smaller things. We take room spray, poopery, you know, those kinds of things, so that we can have a fresh room, because it is small quarters, sharing a smaller space with ventilation and things. So right now this is like the miscellaneous. So I've got like our Tide Pods, our like waterproof phone case, some hot hand pads, extra luggage tags if we had extra coming home with souvenirs. What did I shove in there? Oh, this is the binoculars. These are the, you know, the magnets. They say you have to have the magnets, and we have a lot of stuff that we could hang on the walls this time. I've never used magnets before on a cruise. This will be our 7th cruise, I think. So that's the first time I'm going to play around with those this cruise. And so then that, I don't know, like I'm probably going to put like my sneakers. I'm going to wear my other pair of boots on the flight and in Seattle the day before. So those aren't going to be in here. And then, yeah, I think I have plenty of space because all of my clothes, we think we're going to use one carry-on as our like emergency bag that we don't check when we're going over, so that we have clothes to wear in case everything else gets lost or whatever. But, yeah, we've got that whole huge one, and I don't know. I hope this is going to be enough. I'll get to packing and kind of see. Okay, I have neurotically laid out everything that I think I'm going to pack as far as clothing options, not counting unmentionables. And so what I have nailed it down to is 4 pair of different colored jean type, legging type jeans, pants, 3 different skirts, how many blouses? Shoot, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 blouses. It's a 7-night cruise. These are the various like sweater shawls to put with the various outfits that I wear so that I can layer. And then 2 pajama sets that go in varying layers. So just leggings to tank top to, you know, a sweatshirt. I don't know. I'm not going to be fancy. Nobody else is going to be in there. Plus it's a love cruise with my husband, so might not even need. Haha. Okay, so it is Wednesday. We leave Friday. So here we are as far as packing goes. Hubby's starting to pull his stuff out now. And as you can see, things are getting fuller and more heavy. Thicker. And we have the big guy. Yeah.
Finally steps in and starts doing something 2 days before.
Yeah. Well, it's not the day before, so that's a plus. But we will be using the vacuum bag. Probably for your jeans and your jacket. You think?
You mean my cold jacket?
Yeah, your thick jacket?
Yeah, probably so.
Yeah. Do you refuse to watch the process, Maddie? Do you refuse to watch? What's he doing? Oh my gosh, they're using the vacuum bags. Is this another Africa trip? It's not as long as the Africa trip. Yay! I have a pass to the spa space within Princess Majestic. I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head right now, but I will be visiting that every single day of the cruise, so I need at least one swimsuit to do that in. And then I got this swimsuit that is long sleeve, obviously, and it looks more like a wetsuit, but it's just regular swimsuit material, and some sporty shorts to just help me feel more confident when I do more active things, like if I decide to do any of the fitness classes or go to the gym or anything like that. So that's my justification for taking 2 swimsuits as a plus size girl on your Alaskan cruise. Do it. Okay, cruising on Princess formal nights. There are 2 for this cruise, and both of them happen to fall on our specialty dining nights, so we are going to go ahead and dress up a little bit more. We're not going to be like ball gown people, but my husband is going to have a coat, and some shiny Nikes, and I've got a dress that has some bling on it. So, you know, just a little bit dressier than we might be when I just pull on a skirt over the same blouse that I'm wearing and I eat in the main dining room. So that's us for a 7-night cruise, our formal dining options. All right, we're down to the wire now. Actually packing the night before our flight, the last pack. Do you feel like we overpacked, or what do you think?
Yes.
You think we overpacked?
Yep.
Okay. I'm curious. What do you guys think? Do you think we overpacked based off of what we showed you? If you've watched this whole video, did you pack anything similar? What would you have not packed if you were us? And what did we forget that you would have packed? We hope you enjoyed this, and we hope that you enjoy whatever vacation you take. Pack however you want to pack. And enjoy it. See you next time.